there are different ways you can put in shorts or video, then audio also with small images, then infograph wise video, right? YouTube also has different limits. Suppose in title, whenever you are writing for YouTube title, right now, so there are character limits of like 100 characters se zyada cannot use. Okay, then in description part you can write up to 5,000 characters. So after that in YouTube you can use tags. So tag also 5,000 character limit, right? Then playlist also have some 100 character limits. Then in over here also in the description part, if you see, they use the hashtag also. So in YouTube, only visible hashtag is only 3 visible.